CK word family, replacing the initial sound. We're going to add a B to that. Should be back. We're going to replace the B with an H. Hack. We're going to replace the H with a J. Jack. We're going to replace the J with an L. Lack. We're going to replace the L with a P. Pack. We're going to replace the P with an R. Rack. We're going to replace the R with an S. Sack. We're going to replace the S with a T. Tack. We're going to replace the T and add a BL. Black. We're going to replace the BL and add a CR. Crack. We're going to replace the CR and add a KN. Knack. We're going to replace the KN and add a QU. Quack. We're going to replace the QU and add a SL. Slack. We're going to replace the SL and add a ST. Stack. We're going to replace the ST and add a TR. Track.